A juvenile has been charged for making a false active shooter threat at Soddy Daisy High School. The juvenile is charged with misuse of 911 and filing a false report. Hamilton County deputies were called to the school about 11:30 this morning. By noon, they had determined the threat was false. No students were hurt and classes resumed. A new Tennessee law requires a 1-year expulsion for any student who makes a threat of mass violence. Local 3's Abigail Martin has more on that.
Cindy, this school year marks the first in which threatening violence is included in the zero tolerance policy.
If there is a confirmed act of violence towards the school, that is considered under the zero tolerance policy as of July 1st.
Hamilton County School Board member Ben Connor says lawmakers want students to know making threats is a serious issue. Here's the list of offenses considered zero tolerance: possession of a firearm, explosive, poison gas device, or a bomb. Also, illegal possession of a controlled substance or drug, striking an employee or school resource officer, and making a credible threat to cause bodily injury or death to a student or school employee, and the threat causes actual disruptive activity at the school.
What we would be looking at is the facts. We want to make sure that we're going to work with state and local agencies. We're going to make sure that we follow board policy and stick to the facts.
Connor says a threat must be confirmed and says it is up to local law enforcement to determine. Regarding Wednesday's issue at Soddy Daisy, if police confirm a student made the threat, violating the zero tolerance policy, law states that student must be expelled from school for at least 1 full calendar year.
Making those kinds of threats, whether you're going to act on them or not, is a major issue and something that needs to be treated with major importance.
Hamilton County Schools discipline policy says only the superintendent can modify a suspension for a zero tolerance offense.
I asked a Hamilton County Schools representative for more information and if the superintendent ever considered a harsher punishment. I was told they do not comment on disciplinary actions involving students, other than to say appropriate discipline will be administered. Reporting in studio, I'm Abigail Martin, Local 3 News.